Got my delivery here, very excited. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. And then we have the terminal itself. And I just love the look of these terminals, they're just beautiful. We've got the insert, we've got the swipe, and you can tap it. Very simple, it's got 4 wires which attach. So let's go ahead and open up the faceplate here. We're going to have to open up both because I'm going to put it on the bill acceptor. I think that's the best spot. It's plenty of room there and it should look pretty good. So we obviously want to make sure it's in the center of the faceplate, make sure it looks good. Now I've drilled 2 holes. You actually have to drill 3 holes, one for the wires to go through. So now all I have to do is feed the wires through the bill acceptor box into the coin acceptor box and the faceplate, so to speak. Clip on there, squish them on, and then that's going to connect them right there. That's as easily as I can explain it. It's just attaching those wires. And once you attach those wires, then the terminal is going to boot up. Let's wait till it boots up and see if it's ready to work, see if it's working. It should. It's a plug and play. I'm going to test it. We're going to go $2. I'm going to tap my card on and it works straight away. So plug and play, very simple. 2 minutes on the timer. 4 minutes on the timer, $2 for 4 minutes. And there you have it.